Using Tipalti for your payment and financial operations can streamline your business processes significantly. Here's a concise guide on how to use Tipalti. Login and dashboard overview. Login. Access your Tipalti account via the web portal using your credentials. Dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your payment activities, pending tasks, and alerts. Set up payees. Add payees. Navigate to the payees section and add new payees by entering their details, such as name, email, and payment method. Compliance. Ensure each payee completes the necessary compliance forms and tax documents. Tipalti can automate the collection and validation of these forms. Process payments. Create payment orders. Go to the payment section and create new payment orders. Select the payees, enter the payment amounts, and specify the currency. Batch payments. For multiple payments, use the batch upload feature by uploading a CSV file with payment details. Approve payments. Review and approve. Review the payment orders in the pending approval section. Verify the details and approve the payments. Automated approvals. Set up rules for automated payment approvals based on specific criteria to streamline the process. Reconcile and report. Reconciliation. Use the reconciliation feature to match payments with your bank statements and ensure accuracy. Reporting. Access various financial reports in the report section. Generate reports on payment history, compliance status, and financial summaries. Integrate with other systems. API integration. Integrate Tipalti with your ERP, accounting software, or other business systems for seamless data flow. Automate workflows. Set up automated workflows for recurring payments, notifications, and compliance checks. Support and resources. Help Center. Utilize Tipalti's Help Center for guides, tutorials, and FAQs. Customer support. Contact customer support for assistance with any issues or questions.